Hi guys, let us talk about table truncation. So in this case, we have the monthly data by customer, and then uh, we we have 10 of them. But in the real world situation, we may have like 1,000 of them or 10,000 of them. So the question here is that how can we truncate this table, or can we make it shorter by 5? So just show the top 5 customer only, and then we want to show it by the overall revenue. So we have to sum all the numbers together, and we rank the customer by the biggest, and then we select 5 of them. Okay, so let us start with the first one, which is to combine all the columns together, because I don't want to plus this one all the way, and then it will be a long, very long expression. I don't want that. So I just want to like combine all the columns together in the same place, and then I run them. Okay, so in order to do that, I use the transpose tool here, and then I will check on the customer, and the rest I will combine. So after you run the workflow, it will look like something like this. So this is before, and then this is after. So all the column will be combined. So these are the column for Alice, and then after Alice will be the second one for David. Okay, so um, and the next one would be like I want to combine the revenue by um, by customers. So I need to group them all together like this. So by customer, and then I will sum all the values together. Okay, so sum value. Okay, so this one I can name total. Okay, so this one, and after this I just basically sort the value by the total. And then I want to put the big customer on top, so descending order. And then I just add the rank of the customer together in the same place like this, rank. And then after this, let me run the workflow first before we move on to the next step. Okay, so after this, you can see Frank will be the first, and then Elma, and then Hank. Okay, so now we have the rank already. And then we need to cut the or select the top 5 in here, right? So we don't select everybody, we select 5 only. So this one is basically so this one I was top 5. Okay, so uh, or I want to put the customer top 5, just in case we have top 5 by store or top 5 by other things, then we know which one we want to pick. So if the rank is smaller than or equal to 5, then I will put the customer name in front. I will put the customer rank in front as well, but I have to convert the rank into string, and I path the rank by 2. So in this case, I think we don't need to path, because rank 5 is okay. When you go to 10 or 10T, then you have to path a little bit. Okay, so and other than that, I will put this one into the other categories. Okay, so it will look like this after the ranking, and then it look like this. So number one will be fine too. So basically, this one is not important anymore. The total you can put there, or you can just uh, you have to group the rank all together. Okay, so it'll look like this. But then the the this one is on this table. So this is supposed to be the VLOOKUP table, and then this one is the original table. Okay, so I want to put them all together in the same place so that I can perform the total. So it will look like this if you use the find and replace tool. Okay, so I will use the find and replace. So I match entire field from customers to customer, and then I will bring the custom top 5 over. Okay, so in this case, if you go use the customer top 5, and then you pivot by the name here or the month here, and then the value, it will give you the truncated table. Okay, so I will use a cost tab here, and I will use the uh, by customer to find, not this one anymore, this one, and then uh, by name, and then by value, and then sum all them all together. Okay, so after this, if you uh, I think I need to sort the table by the customer name, because the grouping the pivoting tool doesn't sort. Okay, so after this, you will have others in here. So this is before. So you have a long table like this, and then this after. And you have that something like this. If you don't want mm, to uh, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, you can rename the columns with the regular expression. So I will put the column in here. Then for the customer top 5, I just replace the customer top 5, and then whenever I meet the upfront number with underscore, I will replace it with the blank. So after this, and then you will have the clean. So therefore, you have all the things. But normally, I will keep it there because it's very good for people to see the numbers as well. Sometimes you have the number in front in like this, and it's easy. But then sometimes you don't. So just in case you want to, you can just remove it by this expression. So the same thing happened with the columns as well. But you have to use the dynamic rename here. I think you need uh, to use the same expression, but you just have to select the column you want to rename, not everybody. And then I just rename regex again, regular expression, replace the current field, and then when I meet the digital upfront, I need to replace as well. So after this, then you have something like, sorry, uh, I think I typed something wrong here. Let me see. Current field, and then replace a fund digital. Okay, reggae replace current field, fund digital. Sorry, I have to plus this one. Actually plus 4, but then um, in this case they will be the same anyway. So I just, so the difference is the D, the slash D is just for one single digit, but this one I have 4 of them, so I have to plus, or if you want to be more precise, you put the open close here and 4, and then it's just say that it has to be uh, exactly 4 digit. But in this case, they will be the same anyway because of the underscore. Mm. Okay, so Uh, this is uh, the original one, and then this is the one with the uh, uh, the truncated table. Okay, so truncation normally, if there's another way to do it, which is just to truncate, like use this select record here. And then, for example, if you want from 1 to 5, you just do like this. But then this truncation method is not recommended in the accounting firms, because if you do like this, it's very difficult to reconcile the numbers after if you want to check the numbers, and it's very difficult. But this one you can, because of the other categories. So if you sum all the numbers by the column, you will have the monthly revenue or monthly numbers by all customer. But then if you sum from 1 to 5, you can have the revenue for the top customer only. So that's why we have to go to all the tables in order to get here, rather than just truncate the values.